So you can see how MYOS right now is consolidating below the 20 moving average on the 1 minute chart. We dropped below it there with hard volume, and now we're kind of consolidating below it. High of the last 5 minute candle is 63, but it is an inside candle. So, we'll see if this kind of starts to pop up a little bit and bounce off the 9. So you can see, so you can see how the 9 moving average is kind of flat here. Obviously, we wouldn't want this to come down to the 20. It's got to hold in this level, and it's got to get back up above 560. 460, sorry, 460. So I'll watch over 460 for possible entry. Stop would be 449, so 10-cent stop. And then I would watch, anticipating that would be the first candle to make a new high on the 5 minute chart over 63. If it's not ready to do it now, that's fine. I'll wait another 5 minutes for it to continue to consolidate. That'll just make it a better setup. Okay, I'm long at 60. First 5 minute candle to make a new high here. Over 70, probably over 75 I'll add, because over 75 we'll be getting close to, we'll just, the natural direction is that this is going to go back to high a day. So 5 minute setup here. So we got the first pop, the break over that moving average. If we pull back and then get a little bit of momentary flag, because I'm thinking as we get that kind of pull closer to the whole dollar. So, the higher we get, the more likely it's that we're actually going to break over that whole dollar. So the high right now is 82. I'll stop break even at 460. I'm not going to let this go back to go into a loser, but I want to try to hold it for a move back to the highs. So the high right now is 82. Now what we kind of want is the first 1 minute pullback. 1 minute pullback. So basically, like, and we see again, this is such a strong stock, we may not get it. I'll probably add over 90 and add again at $5 to squeeze up through 520, 530. So the high is 490 right now. 490. No, tried to add there, no fill. So high, squeeze through the high. Now let's see if we can get over 510. Popped all the way up to 505, and that kind of looked to me like someone who's short covering a fairly big order. So can we get over 510? There's 510, 512. Sold half at 501, 499. So the high is 512. This new stop is going to be 489. High is 512. We're getting maybe a little 1 minute pullback here after this fresh 5 minute breakout. So over 512, I could add back half of my position, the half I sold, for a move up towards 525, 530, maybe 550. Daily chart has room up to $6, but I'm not sure we're going to go that far. Okay, so watch here. Can't quite manage risk on this entry. Sold another half at 510. Stop 490 still on the rest. High is now 518. So you guys can see, first 5-minute candle make a new high on a strong setup. That's the pattern to look for. So I want to see one red candle, and then the first green candle after the red candle would be where I would add back. So we got this big push here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive green candles. So let's get a red candle, a little bit of pullback, 1-minute flag, and then that would be the opportunity to add. High a day is 18. This candle closed as a doji, so I would add over 18 right now if we come up to 18. I'll put my order at 521. Got my hand on the trigger, added at 518 for the break over 521. There's high a day. We want to see this break over 520. Stop is now 509. There's 520 on the ask. There's 22. There's 24. Stopped out at 18. That kind of felt a little like, I don't know if it's going to be a false breakout, but I was expecting pretty fast resolution there. So that put me up on the name $2,851, that trade.